Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the most popular web browsers in the Alcatel 1SE Lite. So the first one, Microsoft Edge, click on the tab icon, choose in private and click on the plus, that's it. The next one, Firefox, this is the simplest way. Oh, give me a second, I need to set the pass the setup. And in this web browser, just click on this arrow mask. That's it. The next one, Google Chrome. Click on the arrow icon or three-dot icon and choose New Incognito tab. And the last one, Opera. Click on the tab icon, switch to private, and click on the red plus. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.